Alright everybody, today here with a 2004 2.5 Nissan motor. Most common no start problem. You're going to need yourself a 10mm open-end wrench. Around 40 bucks. And you can do it yourself in about less than 10 minutes. This is the clip that holds it in. Push this in really hard, pull away from the motor. Then you can see it right there. So you can actually see the bolt because I started loosening it. But I'm going to show you how to get to the bolt without taking the airbox and everything off. Take your open-end wrench, dive here, dive, and then come right up underneath. And I hope you can see this. You can see the wrench right there, boom. And you're gonna do this about 2 or 3 turns, half turns, and then it's gonna get loose. And then you just turn the bolt out literally by hand. And then you're gonna pull out the camshaft position sensor. Again, I got mine from Napa's for around 30, I think it was like 36 bucks. And then, you know, grab a hold of it and you're gonna have to yank her out. Might be a little stubborn, you know, there's an O-ring there. There's an O-ring there, so if you can't get it out, grab yourself a pair of pliers and peel it out. And then literally reverse steps, put it back in, plug it in, reset the engine code before you start it, and you're good to go. Good luck.